Animal senses, how animals see, hear, taste, smell, and feel. Keep in touch when you sit down to supper. You can see what you're eating, but what if you had to feel what was on your plate to tell if it was edible or not? Many animals use their sense of touch to find and identify food before they eat it. Touch is also important for getting around in the dark, for finding shelter and mates, and for avoiding danger. If you were a walrus, you'd have rows of stiff whiskers around your mouth. For feeling, you'd poke your whiskers into the muddy ocean bottom to feel for food. When you found something the right shape and texture, such as a clam or crab, you dig it out with your tusks and eat it. Feeling safe. Your fingertips are the most sensitive part of your body. Other animals use different body parts for feeling. A cat's whiskers are terrific feelers. Insects have sensitive body hairs, and birds use their feathers as feelers. No matter what they use to feel with, animals rely on their sense of touch to help them avoid danger. Slugs and snails avoid heat and sharp, dry surfaces that can dry out their bodies or cut their soft foot. The star-nosed mole has tentacle-like feelers around its snout that help the animal find its way through dark underground tunnels and keep it from going out into the open where it might be seen by an enemy. Some animals and plants survive by being untouchable. The prickles of a porcupine keep most predators far away. The stings of bees and wasps make insect eaters stay clear. Even prickly or thorny plants are too painful for plant eaters to munch on. Losing touch. When you put on your clothes in the morning, you feel them against your skin, but after a few minutes, you no longer notice them. That's because your sense of touch grows tired when it is constantly stimulated by the same thing. Being able to ignore the feel of consistent touches helps an animal focus on new feelings that may mean danger or food. Surprising senses. In addition to the 5 basic senses of sight, hearing, smell, taste, and touch, some animals have super senses that can detect things people can't. Imagine having a built-in compass so that you'd never get lost, or being able to feel the electricity given off by an approaching friend. Read on to find out more about these surprising senses. Rattlesnakes use heat-sensitive pits on their face to find warm-blooded prey. The heat signals form an infrared image that shows the snake where to strike, even if the snake can't see the prey with its eyes. Sharks, platypuses, and rays can sense the electricity given off by nearby creatures. This makes it easy to zoom in on a meal. Migrating birds have a built-in compass that can detect the magnetic field of Earth. This helps them know what direction to fly in. Blood-sucking animals such as mosquitoes and vampire bats have built-in heat sensors to help locate warm-bodied animals to feed on. Superhuman senses. You may not be able to see heat images the way a rattlesnake does, but with the help of infrared photography, it is possible to take heat pictures of hidden, warm-blooded creatures. People have invented some amazing tools, such as microscopes, telescopes, X-ray machines, ultrasound, lasers, and metal detectors to help us extend our senses beyond our natural limits.